What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm gonna show you the details of CSS and the individual parts of everything that's needed to style. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so whenever we start off with a CSS command, what we first have is the selector, and the selector is what applies all the CSS and visual elements to that thing. So let's say we have an h1 or a paragraph tag would be our selector in this case. So p, this would be our selector, and then we would make the curly brackets, and this is where our CSS is going to go. So p is our selector over here, and this P is for paragraph tags. So this sort of selects where everything and all this sort of styling is gonna apply, because you need something specific to apply the styles to. So there we have that. Next we have a declaration, and this declaration is what does the styling. So, and in that declaration there's two parts, the property and the value. So the property is, let's say, color. So color, colon, over here, I'll take, let's see. See, look, there's so many colors over here, but I'll take orchid. And we end this off with a semicolon. So this right over here, this is our declaration. This right over here, this is our declaration. But there are two parts to the declaration, as you can probably see. There's the property, the color, and there's the value, orchid. And we can also change this to make it something like this. And it doesn't have to be a set color, it can be RGB values and all of that. So there is one declaration. Let's say we want to make another declaration, the font size. Since, paragraph text, it's all over the place, it's everywhere. So we want to make sure that it's a manageable size. So we can say font dash size, and this again is our property, and the value now is, let's say 10 pixels. This is our value. So the property and the value. And there's different sort of things that you can do. For example, in CSS to style, there isn't just color and font size. There's things like background color, things like this. And this is sort of what you call a highlight. So I could make this something like snow. And then again, this is going to be the property, and this will be the value. So just to recap, this thing over here, that is called a selector. That is what all the styles get applied to. And this over here is called the declaration. The declaration is each individual CSS style. And the declaration can be broken up into two parts. There's the property and the value. So there's the font size property, and there's the value of 10 pixels. And this sort of, selector, declaration, property, value, this is going to be seen in every CSS, segment. There isn't anything different for different things. Like if you want spacing, you don't have to use a different format. The only thing that's going to change is the property and the value. So yeah, if you get this down, you'll be set for all CSS. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.